This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Second chance at this great house. Updated, well-maintained 2-bedroom 2-bath home. Sits on level maintenance-free lot overlooking wooded area and vacant lot next door. Very nice sunroom with lots of windows, wood laminate carpet flooring. Gas fireplace with remote, more than ample storage, immaculate home. Almost everything has been redone. Don't miss this charmer. No property disclosure. For more information, review the details below.